Last month, we shot 3 short commercials for an energy drink company. In collaboration with Godox, we used large Liteflow 100 panels, which helped us create natural-looking sun rays that perfectly matched our desired aesthetic. At our first location, we used the Godox MG2400 and bounced it off 2 reflectors. The Liteflow D1 for a hard beam of light hitting the wall behind our talent, D2 for moderately diffused bounce to fill the room with more ambient light. M600 with a 120cm softbox provided key light on our model. For close-ups, we used small Liteflow K1 reflectors. By using the smallest one, we were able to precisely bounce the light and highlight our product. A lot of the moving shots were shot handheld. Thanks to small camera and wide-angle lens, the camera movement looks really dynamic. Camera with active internal image stabilization helped a lot. I also mounted the camera on a gimbal to make more precise and steady movement. To show a different perspective, I used a macro probe lens mounted on a camera slider. Our second location was a large indoor skate park. Once again, the Liteflow D1 was used along with the MG2400 to recreate the look of natural sunlight streaming through a window. The sharpest mirror in the set was the perfect choice, thanks to its strong and focused beam. The Liteflow system makes it really easy to control and position the mirrors, even in tight spaces, which is crucial when working on location. You can shape the light exactly the way you want by simply adjusting the distance between the light source and the mirror. For this setup, I decided to have the beam of light move along with the actor. This created a really interesting effect where the light appears to follow the skateboarder. For a few shots, we rigged the camera directly to the product and even to the skateboard itself. By using an ultra-wide 14mm lens mounted in some crazy angles, we added an extra layer of dynamic energy to the commercial. In the final transition shot, I kept camera and actor positioned the same. Then during editing, I was able to achieve smooth transition between characters. At our final location, we were filming Drifting Car. For the first setup, we used the Godox M600BI. We also used the P600 Hard to add some stronger, more directional light on our model. LED lights are perfect for situations like this, where you don't have access to a power source. The next setup was quite a challenge, that we had to mount the M600BI with a softbox onto the moving, drifting car. Using 3 suction cups, we secured the light safely and got it ready to roll. The light was powered by Zendur battery generator. I also rigged small action camera on the side of the car for some dynamic close-up shots. Everything worked out perfectly with no issues on set. As you can see, the Godox Liteflow system can be used in a wide range of situations. It's extremely easy to work with on set and a great piece of gear for everyday production use.